Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to my presentation. First of all, I'd like to thank all of you for coming here today. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Risti Siti Juliana. I'm delighted to be here today to tell you about Indonesian food. This presentation consists of three sections. First, I'll start by talking about the main course. Then I'll focus to the dessert and final. And with the snack, this presentation will take about 10 minutes. So let me begin this with a question. How many of you have ever tried all Indonesian food? I believe none of have all of have done that because our country has a wide variety of cuisines. It's said that Indonesia has around 5,350 traditional recipes. Among those coins in this second I'll leave along as so many because I will know Indonesian really have a dessert. Before eating the main dish, we start our meal with main course in there of a freezer. Some famous Indonesian main dishes are sate, nasi goreng, and rendang. Sate or satay is a meat wicker that is grilled over hot coals. It is served with a cows and lontong or rich cake. There are numerous variations of satay in Indonesia. Some of the are sate Madura, sate Padang, sate Maringgi East. Indonesia even known for having the rich variation sate in the world. Next is nasi goreng or french fries. Just like satay, there are also many variations of nasi goreng in our country. Common nasi goreng with ketchup or sweet soy sauce to speech is nasi goreng is traditionally a breakfast dish that uses leftover rich from nasi goreng was in number 2 for CNN's World 50 Most Delicious Food. The last Indonesia course dish I'd like to talk about today is rendang. Rendang is an original dish from Padang, Indonesia. Rendang is a beef that is braised in coconut milk and spicy for house. The slow cooking method is the one that makes rendang so tender and rich with spice. Its tenderness and richness in flavor made rendang to be counted as the number on this on CNN 2011 World 50 Most Delicious Food. Now let's move on to the next section, which is about Indonesian dessert. The same as the main course, Indonesian dessert I also favorite. I will focus on the two favorite dessert, which are martabak manis and cendol. Let's talk about martabak manis first. Martabak manis or sweet. Martabak is a bread like pancake. There are numerous toppings of martabak manis, but the most popular ones are sugar chocolate, springless cheese, and coarse peanut. Martabak manis is served folded and cut to small squares, make the topping getting inside the martabak manis instead of on the top. The second dessert is cendol. Cendol is made out of green rich flour from like jelly, creamy coconut milk shaved ice, and palm sugar syrup. We can also add jackfruit, durian, red beans as the addition topping of cendol. Cendol is served best in summer or when the weather is really hot along with snack. This led us to the next session, which is about Indonesian snack. When we're talking about Indonesian food, it is complete if we don't mention Indonesian snack. In this presentation, I'd like to talk about Indonesian most popular snack, gorengan. I believe most Indonesian have tried gorengan. Gorengan of Rifter is variation kind of ingredients bartered and deep fried. Gorengan is commonly sold by street vendors or traveling cart. There are numerous types of gorengan, such as banana fritter, bakwan, cireng, cassava fritter, fried tofu, cassava fritter, potato fritter. So that's all I want to say about Indonesian food. Inclusion not only accounting it rich in culture, but also cuisines. In this presentation, I only mentioned a few Indonesian food, but it's really we have thousands of kind of cuisines. Now I believe, now I be pleased to answer question if you have them. Thank you.